Oh, really? Am I for real?
Surreal, what?
Dude, my plant is bald now.
Just wait for regrowth.
Bruh.
Join me, brother. Join me. Come on.
Wait. This nigga just stole my fruit. I won't forgive you.
Hey,
Unforgivable.
bye, bye, raccoon. Join me, brother.
Wait, I'm growing it right now. Two godly sprinklers.
To,
There.
give it 3 godly sprinklers.
Okay.
I'm innocent though.
There. That's enough. I'm gonna leave now.
Join me. Let's
Pre,
play.
matutulog na ako.
Let's play five rounds.
Bye-bye.
Let's play 5 rounds, bro.
Bye-bye.
Come on.
No, 5 rounds not too much. I'm gonna sleep now.
What about 3?
Good night, Pookie Bear.
You know I'm recording, right?
Bye. Oh yeah, what's up, YouTube?
Wait,
Please subscribe to Unknown.
dude,
I know
I
he'll
didn't,
make it.
I didn't even.
He just doesn't know how to edit well. So
Oh,
good luck to you.
freak you,
Alright, bye-bye. He's gonna play Murder Mystery now.
bro. Yup. Whoa, whoa. Brother.
When you read this
Nice voice. Wait, it's supposed to be 13, right?
Oh my god! When her can't stop it, mama what you bucket, I go la la
Kid. Alright. I'm gonna do this. Oof, oof. Let's go. They got good singing voice. Wow. shit. Ah, hmm.
Wait, do you want to?
No.
My hands are so sweaty. Oh, my hands sweaty. Wow.
Wonderful kids. Hmm. Alright. Alright. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Everyone got a ice cream. Nice. Too hard to go, my god. Hmm. Yes. This time. Tacos. Last time. Alright, listen now. Need to sing tacos. Yum 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 yum. Sour cream. Where is he? If I lost, I'm freaking gonna. Yes! 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 Hey, yes.
Can you stop saying yes? Why? Can you stop saying yes when you win? Like, bro.
What? 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 嘛。功夫快点，叮叮叮。And I fast like lightning. You like lightning. Little fast lightning. Din, din, din.
Not saying. Excuse.
Okay.
Oh.
Nice.
Mm.
Is it? That was. Oh. Oh my god. Mali mi ba? Okay. Hello? 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 Hearing someone. Yeah! Yeah! Take that! Yeah, take that! Take that! Take you! Lol.
Finally, my level 14. Wow, how do you like shoot me?
You just killed, brother.
Can you stop laughing?
Can't.
So
Broski.
annoying.
Don't care. It's just the game. Oh, broski, you're trapped with me. You're trapped with
I
me,
didn't
broski.
ask. Ooh,
Dude.
I'm stuck.
Innocent. Say.
Excuse me.
What's up?
What's up, broski?
Oh.
Um! Hey, maybe he got his revenge on me because I killed him. Hey, go on, go on. Hey, we got about killed. Yahoo!
Yo, what's up?
Dude, I hear Aliyah in the background.
Honey, honey, honey.
Honey, 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 honey. Alright, let's gamble, guys. Oh, Puro musika. Musika, miskika, neskika, nesika.
Gay. No way. You.
Kid.
This man.
Wait, that's a kid or what? Innocent. Like, damn.
Honey candy cute.
Okay, I suck at that. Please don't.
You're a gay. No, I can't lie. That's
One penny love
it's
machine.
Yay! Yup. Yup.
yes, guys. You can't do that to me.
He can though.
I knew it. Guys, the murder there.
I
You can't do
know.
it. I know. What happened if I go here?
Oh, he will
Nothing
freaking
happened.
kill you.
Yeah, he's so bad. Guys, never go there. Never give up.
Wait, I know the gun is. I'm gonna pick it up. The gun. I'm on the way, gun. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Oh my god.
I don't care.
Don't shoot me.
I will shoot you if I want.
No, 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 no.
I don't care about this game anymore. I just want to shoot you.
Yes, thank you. Please shoot me. I'm not scared. Please shoot. Game. Like, bro, what is this guy doing? Nothing happens.
Shit. Yes, sir. Hey, yes. Once again, I'm the hero. Lol.
Excuse me, get out of my way. Irene.
Damn.
You shut it out, but I
Hmm.
can't hear a
I
word
like
you
this
say.
music.
I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm
Kill me, kill me.
criticized, but however,
Come on. He's gonna kill me.
Are you the murderer?
That guy's trying to kill me. Like, he's showing his, like,
Are you the
true nature.
murderer?
No, I'm so scared. Kill me.
Hey, you said kill you, alright?
Yeah, that's not how we say kill. We said, I thought you were murder. Excuse.
No, I'm the sheriff.
Ooh.
Lol.
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 How did you get there?
Alright. Are they gamers? They're they're the fucking couple. Gamers. Gamers, oh my. Lol.